Alright, so good day guys and welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Remember the YouTube stuff, knock up the likes button, subscribe and share. Free and easy ways to support the channel, and as always, thanks for being here. Alright, we're getting into this now. The Nations League group, the groups have been drawn, ladies and gentlemen, and we have been placed in Group A with Costa Rica, Guatemala, Martinique, Guadeloupe. No, lie, sorry, Group B rather. Group B. Yeah, me I read that out and me and say, oh, that not sound right. and then them side there in our group. Let me go over that. We have been placed in Group A, in Group B rather. Group B. What's wrong with me this morning? Group B. We are in Group B, ladies and gentlemen. We are in the group with Honduras, Trinidad and Tobago, Cuba, Nicaragua, and French Guyana. See, let me repeat that again. We have been drawn in Group B alongside Honduras, Trinidad and Tobago, the Caribbean arch nemesis, Cuba, Nicaragua, and French Guyana. See, so yeah, hit me up in the comment section and let me know what you guys think of this group. An interesting group. Obviously Honduras is a team that is always going to provide some challenge, even though we have gotten the better of them in recent times. I don't really see nobody else in another group where we can really test with. I mean, the rest of them are basically minions, right? I'm going to read out the competition format for you guys on your screen for you guys to fully understand what is taking place here right now. So League A, 16 teams, group stage and quarterfinals. And by the way, it's on your screen if you want to read along, ladies and gentlemen. League A includes 16 teams and a quarterfinal round. For group stage play, the 12 lowest ranked League A national teams based on the Concacaf rankings, have been split into two groups of 6 teams each and will play in a Swiss-style league system. Yo, them come back with a Swiss-style league system foolishness again. Yo, me hate that system there, see, man. Concacaf need to ditch that foolishness them and get something more sensible and get a format more sensible and more fair. Yo, me hate that Swiss-style foolishness. With each team playing a total of 4 games, 2 at home and 2 away. So basically, we won't be playing everybody in this group. That's basically what this means. Biggest foolishness ever, man. I swear, me hate that Swiss style league system foolishness. Anyways, the groups were drawn and are as follows. So you see Group A, Costa Rica, Guatemala, Martinique, Guadeloupe, Suriname, and Guyana. And then Group B is the group that we are in. And I'm not have to read out that again. You guys heard it the first 2 times, and also it's on your screen as well. After group stage play in September and October 2024, the first and second place finishers of each group, 4 teams in total, will advance to the quarterfinals, where they will join the 4 top-ranked League A teams, Mexico, United States, Panama, and Canada. The pairings for the quarterfinals will be determined as follows. Before I get into that, you guys might be wondering, why are we not in that top 4 considering that we got to the semifinals of the last Nations League? The reason for that is, again, it is based on the Concacaf rankings. Right, so you have the FIFA rankings, you also have Concacaf rankings, which is separate from that. And right now, currently, we are 5th in the Concacaf rankings, and hence, we end up having to play these minions in this first stage, the group stage of the Nations League. So, again, we're 5th. The top 4 is Canada, US, Panama, and Mexico. Unfortunately, we just ended right outside the top 4. Not complaining though. I mean, games in international window to be played. The team get some, games to play, and more games to play for the team is not a bad thing at all. Building chemistry, working on tactical stuff. The unit get a chance to come together more, etc., etc. All the positives, in that emanate from the group playing more games. So I'm not complain. However, the argument could be that this is a negative that we finished just outside the top four, because if we had finished in the top four, we wouldn't have to play any Nations League games in this window. We could play friendlies instead. In these windows, we could play friendlies instead. However, and we could get better quality opponents, because apart from Honduras, the rest of them side, they are joke side. With the greatest of respect to them, right? Minions. We are top dog in a Concacaf, so we can say these things, see, and make these claims. But yeah, so that is a legitimate argument. We could get friendlies with higher ranking teams to give us greater challenge. We need to play those tougher competition. We need that tougher competition to challenge us more, to play those better teams more consistently. That will only grow the team and make the team even better, and make the team used to playing a higher level of competition, and that will only make the group better. The downside to that is, boy, here's the thing, that sounds wonderful in theory, but from a practical standpoint, I don't know crosses JFF stay already, man. Them can't get decent friendlies to save them life. So it sounds rosy in theory, but you don't know the things that are already from a practical standpoint. So if the JFF was good at getting friendlies, I would definitely agree with that school of thought. However, given the practicality of from a practical standpoint, it's probably best that we play these minions, So the pairings for the quarterfinals will be determined as follows. So quarterfinal F1, fourth ranked seeded team Canada versus best first place team from either 1A or 1B. Third ranked seeded team Panama versus the next first place from 1A and 1B. Second ranked seeded team United States versus best second place from 2A or 2B, and best ranked seeded team versus next second place from 2A or 2B. The quarterfinals will be played in a home and away format, with the aggregate score winner in each matchup advancing to the 2025 Concacaf Nations League Finals. So basically, it's the same idiot Swiss style with the group stages from the last Nations League, and the same quarterfinals, and the Concacaf Nations League Finals. It's basically the same format from the last Concacaf Nations League tournament. So basically, 9 out of 10 chances will top our group. I would think it would be we demand nothing less than for us to top this group, even ahead of the likes of Honduras. Honduras is not currently going through their best stage in their footballing cycle right now. So it's not at the best place in their footballing cycle right now. So we should be topping that group. So more than likely, we will either play Canada or Panama in the quarterfinals. I would like to think, given that, I would like to think that we top our group. So hit me up in the comment section and let me know what you think of our group. I don't see much difference between our group and Group A. Either group would be in, it wouldn't really matter to me. Then again, on second thought, we'll probably get the better group, because we get to top that group, and we would more than likely top our group, Group B, and we get to play either Canada or Panama and avoid United States or Mexico. Because if we're in Group A, it would be a bit more challenging to top the group, because you don't know Costa Rica is a team where you can't really play with. Seeing? So we'll probably get the better group in the end, or the more ideal group in the end. Knock up the likes button, subscribe, and share. Hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. Take care, guys. Stay safe, and until next time.